Hi, this is Matt with Hauling Inspections. I want to talk to you today about this window right here behind me. So if you see, it's kind of cloudy looking. So the window itself has a seal failure to it. And what a seal failure basically means is the argon gases in between the panes have got out. It allows it to get cloudy. It allows the UV rays to get in and fade your furniture and everything. One of the quick ways to tell is take your fingers and go up and down. You don't leave any streaks in the window where you remove the dust. So the window's not dirty. It's actually cloudy in between the panes. Some people will say this is not a defect. The manufacturer did not make this window cloudy like this. They made it clear. So by the manufacturer standards, yes, this window is defective. Is it going to allow bugs in your house? No. Is it going to allow wind to blow into your house and make your house cold or hot? No, it's not. Over time, it's going to get more and more cloudy, and it's going to get to where you can't see through the window at all. You can replace the upper sashes and or the lower sashes on newer vinyl windows. You just need to find out who the manufacturer is and what the model number is. So for all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions in the St. Louis and the Metro East, call Hawley Inspections at 314-257-0040 and our 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day. Thank you.